Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be learning different types of numbers. Many students had requested me to upload this video. So I am trying to solve all those doubts which they have in their minds about the numbers. To begin with, we will discuss the simplest thing, that is odd numbers and even numbers. I am sure most of you or rather all of you know this. What do you mean by odd number and even number? But still I'll take 1 minute to explain. Okay? Even number, odd number. Even number, odd number कैसे find out करें? Suppose I give you this 6, 7, 9, 8, 5, 2. Such a big number, and if I ask you whether it is a even number or odd number, in both these cases only the units place is the deciding factor. Even number के लिए अगर units place पे 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 ये 5 में से कौन सा भी नंबर अगर इधर है, then irrespective ये कौन से भी नंबर होने दो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर ये 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 में से कोई भी नंबर इधर है, then that number is called as even number. Similarly, I'll take one example, 5, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is the deciding factor. अगर odd number के लिए numbers should be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. ये 5 में से अगर कौन सा भी number units place पे है, then that number is called as odd numbers. Isn't it easy that we are learning from standard 3rd? So we know this, right? Let's go ahead with prime numbers. Okay students, let's begin with the prime numbers. Prime numbers, mathematically I can explain to you. Prime numbers are numbers which do not have any factor except 1. They have only one pair of factor, 1 and into number itself. For example, suppose I take a prime number 17. 17 के factors कौन से होते हैं? 1 into 17, that's it, only one pair. In non-mathematical language, in simple words I can tell you, prime numbers are numbers which do not come in any numbers table. It comes in its own table only, that too ones are. 17 ones are 17. So, prime numbers do not come in any other numbers table. It doesn't help any number to form its table. So that's why they are prime. Okay? Prime numbers have only two factors. One तो सबका होता है, and the number itself, जो खुद number है वो, बस एक ही pair होता है उनका factors का, और factors हो नहीं सकते उनके. Okay? So we are concentrating on 1 to 100 numbers. When we take 1 to 100 numbers, there are 25 prime numbers. Okay? What are they? I have written them here on the board for you. Pause the video, write down, because they are very, very important. You will require them not only in scholarship and competitive exams, but also in your school academics. So they are very, very important. Prime numbers from 1 to 100. See, I have written 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So in all, there are 25 numbers which are prime from 1 to 100. If you observe, only this 2 is even. बाकी सब odd है. So 2 is the only single even prime number, or even prime number हो नहीं सकता. Only one is there, that is 2. 1 to 50, there are 15 prime numbers. 1 to 50 means इधर से इधर तक count करो, you will see that there are 15. So 1 to 50 में कितने prime numbers है? Out of those 25, 15, and 51 to 100 में remaining 10. So in all 15 plus 10, 25 numbers. Okay? Prime numbers have only two factors, that is 1 into the number itself. इसमें से कौन सा भी number ले लो, छोटा लेते हैं, 7 ले लो, 7. 7 के factors क्या है? 1, इंटू 7, ये तो पहला पेयर है। बाकी कुछ हो सकता है, देखो 2 से भी डिविजिबल नहीं, 3 से भी नहीं, कुछ नहीं। सो ओनली दिस वन। यू विल से अरे ये छोटा था इसके लिए बड़ा ले लो। 97, 97 के फैक्टर्स क्या है? 1 into 97, that's it. You will not see 97 in any table. किसी के टेबल में नहीं होगा, इसका मतलब कि कोई और उसका फैक्टर ही नहीं। Only one pair, 1 into 97. So always all prime numbers have only one pair of factors. Remember this. Okay? With this same information, we are going to learn about twin prime numbers. What do you mean by twin prime numbers? नंबर का नाम ही काफी है, ट्विन। ट्विन्स बेबी देखा है ना, एक के बाद एक जन्म लेते हैं, राइट? Immediately one after the other. That's why they are called as twins. So twin prime numbers. मतलब एक के बाद एक आने वाले प्राइम नंबर, उसमें का डिफरेंस है 2। दोनों में डिफरेंस होना चाहिए 2 और एक के बाद एक। सी आई विल राइट हियर 3 and 5, ये एक पेयर हो गया ट्विन प्राइम। दोनों में डिफरेंस कितना है? 2 और एक के बाद एक, दोनों प्राइम है, राइट? 5 7, ये दूसरा पेयर। देन 11 13, आई एम मेकिंग यूज ऑफ दिस ओनली। वंस यू नो दिस नंबर्स, you can write them fast. You need to by heart these numbers. और कौन सा बचा है? 17 19 तो लिया ही नहीं हम लोगों ने। सी इधर 17 19 भी होना तो चाहिए था। I missed it out. So in all there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pairs of twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers का मतलब है दोनों नंबर प्राइम होने जरूरी है और उनका डिफरेंस दोनों का 2 होना जरूरी है. So they should be next to each other. See 2 and 3 I cannot take because difference is 1. We need difference 2 का चाहिए. इधर तो 1 का ही है, तो ये पेयर नहीं है. 3 5 difference is 2. 5 7 difference is 2. 11 13 difference is 2. 17 19 difference is 2. So twin means difference 2 और दोनों प्राइम नंबर होना जरूरी है. Understood? So there are in all 8 pairs of twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are always written in pairs. Okay? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let us learn something about triangular numbers. Okay students, let's learn about triangular numbers. Okay? Simple way of finding out triangular numbers. Start with 1. 1 is the first triangular number. अगर 1 में मैं 2 ऐड करती हूँ, which one you get? 3. 3 is the second triangular number. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6. 6 is the third triangular number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 10. 10 is the next triangular number. And so on. You should know at least 10 triangular numbers. If you know more, nothing like it. So, I will give you 1, 3, 6. This way you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 करेंगे तो 15 आएगा. Again plus 6 करोगे तो 21 आएगा. Like that. So you should know at least 10. 15, then 21, then 28, then 36, then 45, then 55, then 66, then 78, then 91, like that. Okay? How I have arrived at them? See 10 तो हम लोगों ने किया. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 करोगे तो 15. 15 में 6 ऐड करो 21. 21 में 7 ऐड करो 28. 28 में 8 ऐड करो like that. So they are called as triangular numbers. They are first कितने दिए मैंने? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 तो दिए मैंने. बाकी के फाइंड आउट करो. Isn't it easy? Very very interesting. let us go ahead with square numbers. Okay students, square numbers means what? Square numbers means some number into same number again. Whatever answer you will get, that answer is called as the square of this original number. Okay, I have written here 1 to 25. You should know, as a scholarship student, you should know at least up to 25 squares. So I have written on the board. You can pause the video, write down in your book so that you can memorize them later on. First I will explain. 1 into 1, that is 1 square. Uska multiplication 1. So 1 square is 1. 2 into 2, that is 2 square. 2 into 2 is written as 2 square. Square is written like this, 2 on top. Okay, 2 square, that is 4. 3 into 3, 9, that is 3 ka square. 4 into 4, that is 4 square, that is 16. Like that I have written everything. You must know up to 25, because in mathematics as well as in IT, you will have to use them very frequently to solve the sums. So if you know them, it becomes very easy for you to handle or to solve the sums in a least possible time. Okay, so pause the video, write down and memorize it. You must know these numbers. So let us go ahead with क्यूब नंबर्स. बहुत बच्चों ने पूछा है कि टीचर क्यूब नंबर मतलब क्या. सो लेट अस गो अहेड. स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स लर्न क्यूब नंबर्स. एज द स्क्वायर नंबर्स, क्यूब नंबर्स आर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द सेम नंबर टू सेम नंबर 3 टाइम्स. स्क्वायर में क्या किया था? 2 बार किया था, राइट? अभी इसमें 3 बार करेंगे. सो हियर यू आर सपोज टू नो एटलीस्ट अप टू 10 क्यूब नंबर्स. So cube numbers 1 into 1 into 1 और एक बार 1. स्क्वायर में सिर्फ 2 बार किया था, क्यूब में 3 बार. So cube is written as 3 on top here, right? स्क्वायर में जैसे 2 लिखा था, क्यूब में 3, क्योंकि 3 बार कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So answer is 1. 2 का क्यूब 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 3 का क्यूब 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. So like that I have written. See, remember students, these are cube numbers, and cube number का cube root is the 1. इसका 1 का cube root is 1, 8 का cube root is 2, 27 का cube root is 3. So this is called as cube. These small numbers are called as cube roots. Same in case of square. Square जो निकाला है हम लोगों ने वो square, और जो initial ऐसे नंबर था उसको बोलते हैं स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, स्क्वायर रूट को मल्टीप्लाई 2 बार करके हमको स्क्वायर मिलता है, और क्यूब में भी ये क्यूब रूट को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमें क्यूब नंबर मिलता है. सो पॉज द वीडियो, राइट डाउन दिस. देयर इज नथिंग मच टू टीच, बट देयर इज मच टू लर्न. यू आर सपोज टू मेमोराइज दिस. वंस यू नो दिस 10 numbers, many sums, believe me, many sums will involve cube. cube का involvement क्या बोलूं मैं आपको, what I mean, cube का इस्तेमाल करने के बाद ही आंसर मिलने वाले बहुत से sums आने वाले हैं. So you must know cube numbers. There is no shortcut to hard work. You are supposed to learn all this. Okay? And it is only 10 नंबर तो है, उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है, आराम से हो जाएंगे. डेली यू अगर 2-4 बार बोलोगे हर रोज तो अपने आप हो जाएगा. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, विद दिस वी आर थ्रू विद दिस डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स. आई होप इट विल हेल्प यू. In case you have any query, suggestion, you can put them in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer them. Students, every time I say study well, and most importantly, yes, enjoy studying. Bye bye.